As the sun rises over Kuala Lumpur, a city awakens, vibrant, determined, alive. High above the skyline, the Petronas Towers stand as symbols of ambition and progress. Inside, Rahim looks out, his reflection merging with the city, a man who has seen Malaysia's journey unfold. His eyes carry stories of sweat, soil, and dreams born under the tropical sun. Decades ago, this land was defined by its fields, endless stretches of rubber and palm. The heartbeat of its early economy. The golden light spills over plantations where generations once toiled, hands shaping the nation's foundation. Every tree planted, every harvest gathered, became a promise for a better tomorrow. Standing by a tranquil lake that was once a tin mine,
This part of the
Rahim
city,
remembers the
right
sound
there,
of metal, the
has
spirit
so
of labor.
much history.
Those who worked these lands and mines built more than wealth, they built resilience. From the whispers
While
of
the
history,
global economy
Malaysia
faced
learned to
challenges,
rise,
our
adapt,
strategic
and dream
initiatives
bigger.
led to remarkable economic growth.
Now,
This
a new
project is going to
generation steps
transform the
forward,
way
not
we
with tools
travel.
of the earth,
It's truly
but with
impressive
visions
to
of
see the
technology.
scale of it.
Meet Aisha, an
We
innovator,
need to ensure that the
voice of the
containers are
future.
loaded on time.
Yes, the schedule is very tight.
In her sleek,
Zala,
modern
gracias.
office,
Yeah.
she designs the cities of tomorrow, smart, sustainable,
It was a
and
pleasure
deeply
to meet
Malaysian.
you.
Indeed.
Where Rahim once saw soil, she sees data. Where he built with hands, she builds with ideas. Together, they stand at the bridge between past and future, tradition and innovation. In the
Incredible,
quiet halls
isn't
of
it?
a grand library,
Incredible, isn't
Rahim
it?
studies old government plans, the seeds of Malaysia's early
Truly
growth.
breathtaking.
Aisha, in a modern boardroom, presents
and
bold
that's why they built
strategies
the
that carry
monorail
those seeds
system in
into
the
the
city.
digital age. Highways, ports, and cities expand, symbols of a nation in motion. At the port,
journey of
cranes
1,000
rise like
miles
mechanical
begins with a
giants,
single
trade
step.
flows,
And for
connecting
us,
Malaysia to the
that
world.
step is here today.
Partnerships are
So
formed,
this is the area
hands
we are
shaking across
considering.
cultures,
Yes, and here we
building
have
bridges of opportunity.
A few other options.
Factories hum with precision. Automation meets
Yes, that
craftsmanship.
sounds good.
Rahim's memories of manual
Yeah, what's the
labor now
layout?
echo in the rhythm of robotic
This
arms.
is such an impressive setup.
It certainly is.
In an old album, he shows
These old
Aisha
buildings
black
are
and white
just
photos,
wonderful.
faces
They
of those
really
who began
are.
it
It
all.
is amazing how well they have been preserved.
Side by side, they gaze at the modern city, a living continuation of that legacy.
Can I interrupt?
At the
I
foot of
had
the
this
Petronas
crazy
Towers,
idea
they look up, a vision once
to
impossible,
make a flying
now
car.
real.
Wow.
On the monorail, the city blurs past, a tapestry of culture, commerce, and constant reinvention. The stock
This
exchange
system
buzzes
allows us
with
to
energy,
control
the pulse
every
of a
aspect
thriving
of the
economy.
plant's growth, from light to nutrients.
That's fascinating.
In a university lecture hall, Aisha shares knowledge with the next generation, education, the true engine of progress. Together, she and Rahim study plans for new cities, spaces designed for people, for sustainability. At a
You see
vibrant
this?
market, the aroma of spices
is
and
from the
tropical fruit fills
Early
the
days
air.
of our independence.
Oh, wow.
The marketplace remains the soul of Malaysia, where tradition and modernity meet in every color and sound. As the sun sets over solar farms, energy transforms, light becomes
We
power.
have redundancy
Dreams
across
become action.
every single system.
On
Okay,
restored
so let's
colonial
consolidate
streets,
these ideas.
history breathes again. Old facades are now home to modern ideas. A craftsman
This is
weaves
where
a
we will
traditional
analyze the
textile,
data.
while Aisha and Rahim watch, heritage continues, thread by thread. In a cozy cafe, they share stories,
Well, I'm
past
glad that you're
lessons
back
blending
now
with
after
future
such
hopes.
a long time.
Yes, me too.
From the KL
So
Tower,
peaceful
the
here.
city
Yes,
glows,
it truly
a
is.
testament
A
to
perfect
decades
day
of
for a
progress. Vertical farms rise
Oh my
skyward,
gosh, that is so
where
good.
technology meets agriculture once
Oh.
more. In factories, Automation builds the next generation of industry,
Wow.
efficient, precise,
ไก่แค่นี้ยังวันหนึ่งไป
unstoppable. The night
So
skyline
we'll
becomes a
continue to
dance
see
of
that
light,
shift in
highways
focus
alive
from
with
the
energy and
acquisition
purpose.
to the more on the retention side of things.
At home, Raheem shares old newspaper clippings with Aisha, proof that every milestone began with a vision. In Cybergiant, technology campuses bloom among green landscapes, Malaysia's Silicon Valley in motion. Inside data centers, servers hum like digital rainforests, alive, connected, limitless. In co-working spaces, young entrepreneurs brainstorm. The next chapter of innovation begins here. Mentorship bridges
This
generations.
is truly a marvel
Experience
of
meets
modern
creativity.
architecture.
Indeed, a beautiful blend of nature and technology.
Over coffee, they laugh.
Given the data,
Progress,
our
after
strategy
all,
must
is human.
pivot to optimize resource allocation immediately.
Modern neighborhoods flourish, peaceful.
The key is to
green,
refine our
designed for
algorithm
community.
and ensure it adapts to new data patterns quickly.
At
It's
night
very
markets, flavors
Yeah.
and lights merge. The old and new Malaysia in one heartbeat.
Yeah.
Technology reshapes everyday life,
And
from
this is
digital
a
payments to smart
very
living.
interesting watch. Telling watch.
Across screens, meetings span continents. Malaysia connects globally. In museums,
It's like we
the
are just
past is
moving on a
preserved,
cloud.
now side by side with
Yeah, it's just
microprocessors and
amazing.
AI. Science and
future is
innovation
really
go
here,
hand in
isn't it?
hand, from labs to
Indeed, a
classrooms.
testament to human ingenuity and our evolving relationship with the planet.
At Golden
What
Hour,
makes Malaysia an
beaches and
attractive
resorts
destination
invite
for
the
global
world
talent?
to discover
Its
Malaysia's
vibrant
beauty.
economy and diverse culture offer unique opportunities.
On stage, art and tradition
Look
blend.
how alive.
Dance becomes the
The
language
city
of
becomes at
identity.
night.
It's truly breathtaking, Raheem.
Airplanes rise from KLIA, carrying Malaysia's story beyond its shores. In a symbolic gesture, Raheem passes Aisha a
It
compass,
looks
the past guiding the
absolutely
future.
delightful.
Above the multimedia
agree.
super corridor,
This
drones
vision
reveal a
is a
network of
testament
growth,
to our
green,
collective strength
digital,
and
and
our
connected.
unwavering commitment
Aisha leads
to a
strategy
brighter
meetings,
future for
data
all.
turns into direction, ambition into action. AI screens glow, the frontier of a smarter, more sustainable future.
It's a truly amazing place, isn't it?
Indeed,
In
the
warm
integration
homes,
here
families
is quite
gather. The
impressive.
human heart of progress remains unchanged.
Inhale deeply, allowing your chest to
In
expand,
malls,
and as you
luxury
exhale,
meets
release
local,
any
prosperity shared, not flaunted.
And that's all driven by
Open plan offices
algorithms,
buzz with
Vance.
creativity.
I see.
Teamwork drives innovation.
And the award goes to Aisha.
Self-driving cars
Congratulations.
glide through streets once filled with rickshaws. History reimagined. Wind turbines turn gracefully against the sky, symbols of renewable hope. Malaysia welcomes global talent, diverse minds. One vision. Night falls, but the city never sleeps. Kuala Lumpur sparkles like a dream realized. Reflections of Raheem and Aisha merge with the skyline,
beautiful.
past and future. One continuum.
A little bit more.
In hospitals,
I think this part
technology
here,
heals, precision
It
and
shows a little
compassion
bit about
intertwine.
how they came together.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
In restaurants, tradition is
This journey
reinvented through
through
modern
time
taste.
reminds us of the strength and spirit that forged our nation.
Aisha presents
We're here to
Malaysia's
talk about
20-year
finding
vision,
your voice.
bold, inclusive,
It's about using
and
it
full
for
of
good,
promise.
to advocate for what you believe in.
At KLCC Park, they rest, generations connected by shared purpose. From drone heights, the tech parks below hum with progress.
We have to fight for what is right.
Wellness, balance, and innovation define a new lifestyle. In logistics centers, automation delivers efficiency, every motion purposeful. Awards are given, but pride belongs to the people, those who dream, work, and build. As the sun sets once more, Raheem and Aisha stand together, watching a Malaysia that has transformed, yet never forgotten its roots. From humble fields to shining skylines, Malaysia's journey is one of resilience and vision, a nation that honors its roots while embracing the future.